Today, we're exploring Cathedral Rock in Sedona, Arizona.
Now, this is a very different hike than I have ever taken. While it's only 0.7 miles, it's straight up. So
700 feet straight up.
770 something feet. So let's see how far I get.
Now, our goal today, believe it or not, is not to get to the top of Cathedral Rock, because there are vortexes, or there is a vortex here. And our goal today is to get to the vortex, experiment with the vortex, and just kind of feel and see what that is all about and bring that to you. We're about 15 minutes into the hike, maybe 20% up the hill, taking it very slow. But we came across this Joshua tree. Now, one of the things that we are looking for, or our goal today, is to find the vortex that's up here. Now, I want to show you this Joshua tree, and we'll shoot it real tight so you can take a look at what a Joshua tree looks like and how it grows in regular circumstances. When we get to the vortex, we're going to show you why the vortex is a vortex.
We're at the base of the cliff, and so far it's not been too bad climbing up. I'm not a climber. There are markers like this all up along the trail. It is a pretty, I'm going to say, easy trail for an upward hike. That is what we're aiming to accomplish today. Let's see how it goes. This is what we were talking about. This Joshua tree, the bark is all twisted. And that is because of the vortex in this area. Now, I'm not going to get all scientific. We'll put a link in the description exactly what a vortex means. But basically, it's an energy field in the ground. And in Sedona, there are a number of these vortexes throughout Sedona.
You know, in the last 8 months as we've traveled around the country, we've hit a lot of my bucket list items. But I think today might be one of yours.
Absolutely. This tree right here, again, is twisted. It actually, you could see it twisted around. It's really cool. And what caused that to happen is the vortex that's here in this area. And it's an energy from the ground, as I've said before. And it's just such an amazing feeling being here. And I didn't get all the way to the top, but looking out on this view and just being away from everything, this is probably a bucket list item of mine.
And you know, as we've been up and down this hill, this mountain today, the people here, everybody seems to be happy. Everybody seems to be in a good mood. It's like all the stress of life is just gone. So I just think that doing this and being able to do this together is just, it's been an experience that you almost can't describe.
Today was an amazing day in Arizona. We're now on top of what's called Airport Overlook.
Right.
And we are looking at the most amazing sunset. We love our sunsets.
We do love our sunsets. My goal was to get a time lapse of the sunset tonight, but we didn't quite make it here in time and get a spot that we could do that time lapse. So maybe some other night we'll do it. You know, Cathedral Rock to the airport overlook and the airport vortex, you know, quite a day, a lot of really cool things.
It was an amazing day, and I'm looking forward to coming back here again because there's so much more to do.
Yeah, Sedona is full of touristy things, but there are a lot of really cool things to do here as well.
Absolutely.
From Sedona, Arizona, with my incredible wife, Patti Hunt, I'm Dan Hunt, saying, have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow. The things that I want to do, it's ever changing. I mean, this is, that'll be a good outtake. It's like having a grandkid hold the camera.
Let's just